Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy here for 911 Studios, and we are checking out some of the most fun summer products on all of Amazon, and this is definitely one of them. This is the Aqua Campania 2-in-1 lounger and recliner pool float. You guys, this is designed so awesomely. So you can tell right here, it's a recliner. So it's not only a recliner, but it's got that little thing in the middle that's kind of like right under your knees, the little leg bolster. So you know it's gonna be so comfortable. But you can also take this piece and just pop it right down into it to where if you want to flip over and lay on your stomach, it's just like your normal lounger. So it can be a lounger or a recliner, and it's got your floating little koozie right here that's gonna keep your drink right next to you, keep that nice and cool, and just have everything you need right there to relax, unwind, get your tan on, and enjoy your summer. When you are done with it, like I said, the reclining piece just pops right down into it, but also your koozie part pops right into the bottom, so it's easy to store and it all goes in there together. It also has dual lock inflation, so it's going to inflate and deflate super quickly. Even better than that, it has fabric that's like a dual mesh that's going to keep cool, so it's not going to be like your old school floats that after a while of sitting in the sun, it's hot to the touch, it's hot on your skin and uncomfortable. No, this fabric is going to keep you cool, keep you relaxed, and keep you having fun all summer long. This is an amazing product. It would be an amazing gift. If you were thinking about it, definitely check it out, put it in your cart. You're gonna be so happy that you did.